Yeah, hi guys, beautiful week once again. Holy Lessons coming at you with a beautiful song, Promises by Maverick City, featuring Joel Barnes and Naomi Raine. Of course, it's a beautiful song, it's a simple song. And for the purposes of this breakdown, we'll basically break the song into 4 parts. The rest is pretty much the same. So we'll have the intro, okay? We have the verse, the chorus, and the bridge. Okay, so of course in between they will have a pre-chorus before the main chorus. Okay, so let's start off with the intro, and it's pretty much simple. So we are in the key of B flat. Okay, so we have our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, our 7, and our 1. Okay, so it's basically a 6, a 4, a 1, and a 5. Pretty much this is basically the whole progression running through the whole song, with a different change at the chorus, the pre-chorus, okay, and the bridge. So we have our 6, our 1, okay, to the 5,